Hello, so this is the QXDG format, which is G stands for geometry, and this is for CAD compression. So as you can see here, we'll do test mesh.stl, which is 63.1 kilobytes, and we'll set the quality low this time because it's CAD. And then you can also see 650 vertices, 1,292 faces. By the way, the output preview, the GUI is smaller in dimensions than the input preview. So this means it's pretty much looks like you have exactly almost the same CAD file. And then if you do the decompress, you can go here and then decompress to OBJ. And again, 650 vertices, 1292 faces, just like the original. So that is a file that went down to about 5.5 kilobytes before it got decompressed, and that was from the original 63 kilobytes, and it's pretty much lossless.